The plow you're looking at is a Buyers Trip Edge plow. It looks the same, but if you look close, right here is a seam where the trip, when you encounter a, let's say a sewer cap right here, let's say it sits this high, well, the whole plow doesn't have to flip forward. Just this section right here trips back, and when you get over the sewer cap, let's say, this comes back forward into place. It's a much better design than the full trip plows. And then here's the trip mechanism. Here's a whole plow, and then there's one on either side of the trip mechanism. One there, one there. A balanced approach.